Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change username on CoinMarketCap application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your CoinMarketCap application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, tap on the profile picture at the top right hand corner and click on your username at the top. Now, click the edit button right next to followers tab, which will then take you to your profile page where you can make edits. Now select the username option and tap on it. You will be able to see a username that has been chosen for you while signing up for CoinMarketCap. Now you can erase this username, type in a new username you'd like to change to, and click on change username. Remember that usernames can only be changed once per 7 days. So if you make a change now, you will need to wait for the next 7 days to make a new change for your username. After entering the new username, tap on change username to apply the change on your profile. That is how you should be able to change your username on CoinMarketCap. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.